My name is G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. My wife is a teacher retired from school. So we both are retired, living in Delhi, Rajouri Garden. As we are entering into 2022, this is the last video which I am making before we make 1 crore of earning the next year in 2022. I recruit people in the category of retired senior citizens, housewives, small business owners, and financial experts. They come, they join, and then they work. We work together as a team. We generate business, financially educate people. Some of the persons in the senior citizen category, housewives, small business owners, and financial experts, they are looking for some additional opportunities. We provide them the second inning working, and during the second inning working, some of them have already done their jobs. They are getting pensions, some of them are not getting pensions. So to supplement their income, we give them a chance to work. We give them a chance to earn. We give them, in addition to earning, what we provide them is the growth prospects, the opportunity for growth, the opportunity for rewards and recognitions, and the respect for the senior citizens, so that they feel happy, they feel comfortable, and at the same time they start earning also. Now coming to the shortcomings, the weaknesses, and the things which we have not achieved are up to the satisfaction, not done. The level of business, the level of recruitment, and the level of team building, there was some shortcomings due to corona. You can count as many reasons you can, but then the result was not there. So there was a failure, and every failure is a new learning. Now situation is getting better, and I want to take that further in 2022 on my strengths. I want to capitalize in terms of quality recruitment. Quality recruitment means those who are experienced in the field of finance, those who are experienced in the field of team building, leadership, they will be inducted into the team, and we'll call them, we'll discuss with them, we'll explain them through different presentations and the seminars, and then once they are convinced, then only we'll see that they are part of my team, provide them the proper training, proper opportunity, the environment, so that we can groom them and lead a happy life which can earn money, which can give growth, which can give reward and respect, recognition to both the individual and the team. This is what is the small message. Apart from that, the recruitment process, we have to streamline that process. In that process, we are going through BOP sessions. We are going to NAT exercise. NAT is a numerical aptitude test. Then screening sequences. First screening, then NAT, then BOP, then documentation. And after the documentation is done, the training starts. After training, there is a small examination, which is a certification and licensing process. Once that is done, he is a full-fledged person as a team member, ready to do business. So procrastination was one thing which was creating problem. Corona was another thing which came as an excuse. For some it was an excuse, for some it was an opportunity. It was both opportunity as well as excuse. Technology played a role. We came on Zoom. Now we are physical plus Zoom. It is a hybrid kind of situation. where part of the training is on Zoom, part of the training is on physical training rooms. Then the other things are the process streamlining wherever there are lacunas, wherever there are shortcomings. We have to remove them and strengthen the process. Once the process is strengthened, once the systems are strengthened, once the communication is improved, there are results, there are possibilities that we do better. This is what is a small message. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.